Hello, my name is Leonardo Martinez at Legendary Beads in Austin. Today I'm going to show you how to attach a metal clasp. First, taking the magnet apart. Careful, because this magnet likes to stick to the wire and your tools. First, you put on your crimp. Take one of the magnetic clasps, putting it back through your crimp. Allow about a ½ inch, pull back, comfortable loop. Now in crimping this, so your tool doesn't get stuck to the magnet, you want to pinch your magnet, hold your crimper further to the back, crimp, and keeping your tool away from that magnet using your fingers. Now, putting on your spacer. Taking up the slack. And then attaching your other end. And this is how you use a magnetic clasp.